The only sounds you are left hearing here at WIldwater Kingdom is the line finishing out on the funnel slide over there. Everything else is shut down permanently.
Closed for good now.
Here on September 5th, 2016, Labor Day. There's a gorgeous shot of Big Dipper over there with the sunset behind it. Should be about the last 10 people going down that funnel slide, and then this place will be completely silent for good. Another shot of the beautiful turbo twisters over there. Said 13 years ago, walked down the boardwalk. And that way, Serial Thriller was the first stop on the right, and then you had Batman Night Flight. Serial Thriller got relocated out to Michigan's Adventure, now known as Thunderhawk, up there, and then Batman Night Flight got relocated down to King's Dominion, known as Dominator, a few years ago when that dry side of the park did close. Sure, I rewrote quite a few of the other things on the dry side.
Yeah, not 50.
So who knows what the future of this land's gonna hold here in the coming years. There's the supports, or the footers, not the supports, the footers from Batman Night Flight, straight out that way. Is the funnel finished out?
Just about. It sounds pretty quiet.
Sounds pretty quiet to me.
Stand up, PJ. Let's take a selfie with everybody. Stay there, and I'll make sure we're all good.